I love these kinds of videos. Sitting on my foot because I'm super excited. Hi, and thank you for watching. Maybe I should put my jewelry on, actually. One sec. So I just threw on my jewelry and perfume. It doesn't do anything for you, but it does something for me. I placed an order on H&M on October 10, and I just finally got it. It was a really good sale. It was 20% off, but then they took so long that like I was getting a little grumpy about it. I like checked in with them on their website. It hadn't even shipped yet on like Halloween. So that's quite a long time. It says that it could take up to 10 days because all the precautions are taking, but it was a little much. So I messaged them again and then they gave me 10% more off, which was like 17 bucks or something. I'm so excited to finally have these clothes. I have been waiting. I love H&M. I love black, white, and gray. I love fall fashion. So that's everything that you will see here. So I'm just going to talk about the clothes and of course try them on. So I opened the box that they came in already. I don't bring in packages like into my glam room. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Like the one that's like the mail is touching. I don't understand how people can take a package that they get from the world and like put it on their beds or like in their room. It's just, ugh, it just grosses me out so badly. Like, especially like when people put luggage on their beds. I can't believe that's a thing. Anyway, don't get me started on that. The box is gone. I have all the clothes here. So I'm just going to go through them all and then try them on. Let's start off on a silly note. So the first thing that I have here, I already tried this. It's way too big, but this is just a like sweatshirt material. It's a mini skirt. It's white. I just wanted this because I wanted something white to peek through if I wore an oversized black jumper, sweater, sweatshirt, whatever, sweater, like a black sweater. I just wanted that like little kiss of white underneath. But this thing, I tried this on and it's really big. And then if I wear it low rise, like I would like to, it goes to my knees. I'll make this work. So this is exactly how I pictured wearing this skirt, like this outfit exactly actually. But this skirt is so big. Like I have this tucked into my bra. I might even actually just tie this onto my bra. Even if this is high waist, it's like here. And if it's low waist, this is not how it's meant to be. It's okay like this though, right? Like this is kind of cute, right? Maybe. I don't mind it like this. I just don't know if it would stay, you know? It's not as bad as I thought, actually. She looks scholastic. It's a raw hem, so I could just cut it myself. I just want it to show a little bit of a white when I'm wearing black. This is the same sweater that I own in black, but I had it in small, and it's giant. I mean, it's very, very, very oversized. So I did repurchase it in extra small, and it's in white. When I go for whites, I personally like to try to go for the coolest tone whites that I can. I don't like cream. I don't like warm tone. I like really stark white, like blue white. This isn't all the way white, but it's not cream either. So I'm not mad at it, but I love it. It's a V-neck. It's a really relaxed fit. And like I said, very, very, very oversized. I mean, this is an extra small. Here's an option for this sweater. The pattern has this color as well. This is definitely something I'd wear out. This might look more like a September outfit because it is bare legs and all that. Do you like this? Cute. But I'll show you another option too because it's November. This is a perfect sweater to just throw on. There's not much thought to it. She's cozy. I think it's really cute. Oh. I'm glad that I have this one in extra small and then it in black, which I showed you with the white skirt. Oh, I'm so glad I have this. This would look very nice with a lot of things, which is my favorite. Up next, I have a turtleneck. This is also an extra small, but this also looks oversized. Oh yes. So this is a turtleneck, like a full neck, and the sleeves are similar to the white one. The bottom is also the same, and it has slits on the sides. So that's cute. So here's another sweater. Obviously, we're not like trying to hug the body today, right? We're wearing like sweaters. So I like this one a lot. Super cute. I love this color. The sleeves are a little bit baggy and then the middle has slits. How cute is this? This is my favorite shade of gray, that like light gray. I love it. And I didn't have much of it. Well, I mean I do, but I needed more. So if you wear like a t-shirt of this color, it'll show if you sweat. Obviously it won't if you have a sweater. So there you go. Okay, I have this this is going to be too small. So this is in size small, and this is like a turtleneck. Look how long that turtleneck is. Oh, and it's just a little shirt. That is a small. This won't even fit my chest, I don't think. Should I even show you this? I'm not keeping this. I don't want this. No part of me wants a cropped shirt. The neck is longer than the rest of the shirt. No. I like stark white. I don't like see-through white. Sheer white, because your skin is like darker. It just looks like muddy, so I'm not into that. Props to me because I managed to get this on without getting makeup on it. I'm not small. Some oversized things I purchase in small. This is not oversized. Okay, so here's a medium. This is in medium, and I think it should have been small. I didn't know this was going to be stretchy material, otherwise I would have purchased it in small. This is a long sleeve turtleneck, and it's all lace. The whole thing is lace. So had I known that it would be forgiving and stretchy, I would have purchased it in small. I love lace. I love lace in the fall and winter. I think it's so pretty. I just think it looks very elegant and feminine, and I like this. I would actually like to wear this just with a bra and then high waist pants underneath. I have two Henleys. These are the same because I own it. I bought this like what, 3 years ago, and it's like coming undone. Like the sleeves are all tattered and everything, and it's not bad quality by any means, but the other one I have is so old and it's like breaking, but they didn't have this available on the website until now. So I purchased two. It's just a Henley in size small. And then this, just really quick. You've seen this before because like I said, I own it. You can layer this, you can wear this as is. It's just like a little something. Very nice. I've worn this with a vest on top, plain like this, with a skirt. Possibilities are endless. I love this color. I'm so glad I have a couple more of these. Good. Oh, and then, okay, so this is like the whole reason that I went on H&M. I've been looking for a mock turtleneck in this exact shade of gray, and it's ribbed. I love this. I had one from Forever 21 a couple years back, but it was cropped, so I didn't like it, and then the neck broke because I wore it so much, even though I didn't even love it. This one, I can already tell. I hope this works out because I love this. This is in size small as well, but that's the neck I think is so flattering. Ooh, I think this is really pretty. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted. Maybe even better. I did not realize the sleeves had cuts like this. How cute. The neck is perfection. Look how it sits. I have a necklace on, sorry, but that sits perfect. Oh, it's like a thin material, but it's still warm. It's like thin and elastic. It's not like thick, and it's not a fuzzy kind of sweater, but this is so nice. It's a proper shirt, you know. Okay, I've been looking for this. I found you. This is my new favorite top. Surprisingly difficult to find a gray turtleneck, but I'm sure they have a million now, but I was looking like in October. And then last but not least, I purchased this big sweater in size small. It's very heavy, awesome quality. It's ribbed, and it just looks like big, a little bit exaggerated sleeves, but not annoying, like just enough to be chic and elevated, but nothing like, look at me. Like this isn't an attention getting sweater or anything like that, but I do like it. She is cropped, so I would like to try this with the high waist pants or maybe even a dress underneath. How cute is this? I love the sleeves. Are these exaggerated? They're not too much. And they gather back in at the bottom. I just paired this with an old bodycon dress from Forever. I think this is from Forever 21. It's just some old bodycon dress. That's why I never throw anything away, because you never know when you'll need it. I haven't worn this in years. It's so pretty with this sweater, this cardigan. How cute is this? I love this. The angles of the ribbing. Do you see how they crisscross right here and they, you know, cup ya? I don't know. This is so pretty. I would love to wear this with this dress out. But even in the daytime, it's totally daytime appropriate. I would absolutely wear this to lunch. You could just as easily dress this down. So I have this just with jeans. I'm not wearing a shirt under because I didn't think it was too low, but throw a camisole under there, throw a screen tee under, and then like have this unbuttoned if you want. But I love the structure and the silhouette of this, so I definitely wanted to show it buttoned. I think this is so cute. Very flattering cut. I want to put these things together with other items in my closet because I like watching hauls, but more than that, I like watching people put entire outfits together with items that maybe you've even seen them buy, because it's like when people go shopping and they show their hauls online, what are they actually wearing and how are they doing it, you know? We'll see how I end up wearing these, and then I'll definitely like to film some kind of fall winter lookbook because these items are great and I've been really lucky lately on my shopping, so I want to show you how I put the outfits together. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.